Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching this video for the first time, please join the family and let's be one big happy family. On today's video, I'll be showing you my new hair regimen which I started 3 weeks ago using these 4 ingredients. 3 of these I have in my kitchen, one which is the clove I got from ShopRite. So without further ado, let's get started on the video. I seriously started this hair regimen alongside with some hair treatment for a number of reasons. One is to stop excessive hair shed, to reduce itchiness and to stop dandruff, but overall to maintain a healthy hair. The past 3 weeks that I've been using these treatments and hair regimen, I've seen some improvement. Actually, I've had no dandruff, less itchiness, and of course less hair shed, and my hair has grown 2 inches longer than it was before. After blending my 3 ingredients, I poured it into my coconut oil in a fry pan and stir for 10 minutes on a mid-heat. Continuous stir reduces the chances of it getting burnt in the process, so I made sure to continue to stir it as often as possible just so it doesn't get burnt. After 10-minute fry, I set the frying pan aside just so it cools, and so I use this color of recap in order for me to separate the oil which I'm going to use for the hair regimen from the debris, which is the chaff that I don't need. You could decide to use any net of your choice. Some use white, some use the sieve, but make sure it has little, very tiny openings. Try not to use a black wig cap, otherwise your oil is going to turn black and you don't want to be using black oil. If you like my video and you actually find it helpful, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I post some new regimens that will be coming up in this my new hair journey. And I have some new and interesting protective styles that I will be doing on my hair.